back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field, although it is a customer service. You will have to be on the phone, but they are paying decent and they don't require any kind of college degree. The links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company Invite, I'm not sure if I am saying that right, they are hiring a client service specialist for their accounts team. Now, they are hiring throughout the United States, but you have to be willing to work the Eastern Standard Time hours. So if you're outside of the Eastern time zone, make sure that you convert your time zone to those hours to make sure that will work with your schedule. This is a Monday through Friday full-time job. But Invite is a genetics medical company. They're dedicated to bringing comprehensive genetic information into the mainstream medicine and improving healthcare for billions of people. So they are looking to add a customer-focused individual to their client services team. You'll be on the front lines answering questions and fostering relationships with their customers, and you'll be resolving missing information or lab processing issues, as well as responding to a variety of inquiries from healthcare professionals and patients. So you'll get calls and questions from healthcare professionals, doctors, as well as the patients. You need to be well versed in their products, processes, and policies in order to respond to all the customer inquiries. You'll work both on the phone and through email. You'll not only answer their questions, but you'll facilitate clients during their entire sample process. So taking sampling for getting that genetic testing, you'll help send out collection kits, arrange their phlebotomy draws, and update any ordering clinicians to the status of their order. You'll be the primary point of contact for ordering healthcare providers supported in your region for their patients. And of course, you'll address all questions, feedback, missing information, sample failures, and order delays in a timely manner. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who has 2 years or more experience in some kind of client-facing role with a company that is customer obsessed. So just plain old 2 years of customer service experience. You need to have great oral and written communication skills, great emotional intelligence, customer empathy, and active listening skills, great organizational skills, and be a multitasker. Now, they are looking for someone who has experience using Google Apps and Mac computer systems. Now, the pay for this position, of course, is always dependent on location and experience, but it's anywhere from $17.62 an hour all the way up to $25.32 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please always feel free to leave anything specific that you are looking for in the comments. I always read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.